guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just got back home from the gym and I'm about to make a smoothie. So then I had this brilliant idea about making a video about a couple different smoothies that I'll be making throughout the week. So I love smoothies just because they're so easy to make. You can literally just throw everything in there, anything you want. If you are needing to eat more greens, it's a great way to just throw your spinach, your celery, basically anything in a smoothie and just add a little bit of fruit to give it a sweeter taste. If you're interested in seeing the smoothies that I make, just make sure you keep on watching and we're gonna head over to my kitchen. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you the first smoothie that we're gonna make. It's gonna be a strawberry blueberry smoothie. And some of the ingredients that you're gonna need, we're gonna use some frozen strawberries, we're gonna use some Greek yogurt, preferably the plain one just because it has more protein and less calories than the flavored ones. We're gonna use some flaxseed. I read somewhere that it's better if they're already ground. And then we're gonna add some blueberries. So I don't really measure the ingredients a lot, but I'm gonna take half of this and just put it in here. And this is how our smoothie came out. Guys, don't come for me. I am using a plastic straw, but I try not to use any plastic plates, plastic straw. We had a box full of them in our kitchen. I totally forgot I had them, but I did find them. If you're gonna make a smoothie, I would tell you to invest in one of those metal straws. But this is how our smoothie came out. And I do suggest if you wanted it to be a little bit sweeter, you can go ahead and add some honey. I didn't, but if you are looking for something sweeter, you can go ahead and do that. So from this smoothie, you're getting your protein from the yogurt, you're getting your fiber from the blueberries and the flax seeds. And then we have our strawberries that are high in vitamin C. Okay, so I literally have to be on the floor so you guys can see me because I'm in the kitchen and I have nowhere to put my camera. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and do our banana smoothie today. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the ingredients that you need for this smoothie. Okay guys, so here are the ingredients that we're gonna need. I have this banana. It's already ripe, which is good because it'll make my smoothie sweeter. But if you have just a regular banana, that's fine. It doesn't have to be ripe. You can always add honey to make it sweeter. I'm gonna go ahead and use the other half of my yogurt that I didn't use last time. I have some crushed ice over here, vanilla extract, and then I might just add a touch of cinnamon. And then I do have my almond milk, which is optional. You can actually do this smoothie without milk. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by pouring my 1 cup of almond milk, which I feel like that's what you should do, just because it makes it easier to blend. I'm gonna go ahead and add my ice. And you can always go back and add more if you feel like it needs more. Okay, so next I'm gonna go ahead and add my yogurt. Remember, this is where we're getting our protein. Next, we're gonna go ahead and add our banana. And then I'm gonna add a tad bit of honey. Like I said, if you have a ripe banana, you probably don't even need honey just because it's already gonna be sweet. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of vanilla extract. Okay, and now we're just gonna go ahead and blend it. Well guys, this is how our smoothie came out. Super easy to make and so refreshing. Again, smoothies are a great way for you to add your protein into your drinks. And then you can go ahead and add protein powder. You want to go ahead and add, this one would be a great one for you to add. If you're looking for a smoothie with a higher amount of calories, this would be a great way for you to just go ahead and add some peanut butter into this drink. But I hope you guys liked our banana smoothie that we made today. Okay guys, so for our last and final smoothie, we're gonna make a pineapple mango smoothie. So we're gonna jump right into it. And again, forgive me, I know I'm not really good at measuring the ingredients. I kind of just put a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and then I go off how it tastes. So if I feel like it needs a little bit more milk, a little bit more yogurt, more pineapple, more whatever fruit I'm using, I usually just kind of taste it and wing it and go off of that. So again, Sorry, because I'm not really good at measuring it, but I just kind of want to give you guys an idea on how I make my smoothies, and you guys can add your twist to it. But anyways, let's jump right into our pineapple and mango smoothie for today. Okay guys, so here are the ingredients that we're gonna use. I know I said it was just gonna be a pineapple mango smoothie, but we're actually gonna add peaches just because this bag does have peaches. I'm not adding any strawberries, so I'm just gonna make sure I take the strawberries out. I am going to be using my Greek yogurt like I have in every video, just getting my protein in that way. We're using our flax seeds, some ice, and then for this one, you can use unfrozen pineapple. I am going to use a frozen pineapple, but I'm using the juice from this can just because I don't have any orange juice. I am going to add the juice from here. But you are more than welcome to add canned pineapple if you don't have any frozen pineapple. But these are the ingredients that we're going to use, so we're going to go ahead and jump right into our smoothie. This is how our smoothie came out. I'm not even kidding, guys. This is my favorite one so far. I think the pineapple juice really added a nice flavor. So if you guys are only gonna make one out of all the 3 smoothies that I made, I would definitely recommend this just because it's so refreshing. And I feel like I said that about the other ones, but I feel like this one is really refreshing just because pineapple is really, really refreshing. But this is my favorite one so far. I hope you guys try these smoothies. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys will be trying any of these smoothies, or if you have a smoothie that you love, make sure to comment down below the recipe just so I can try it. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I will see you guys next week.